afternoon everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video I would like to share to you road opening going to my farm, and for now as you can see the backhoe is working. I think we can pass this portion of land in a few hours from now, and we can go inside my property, and then my service vehicle would pass through this mountain, and it is very convenient for me to visit, and also I can deliver the materials for the construction of my sweeplet building. And today this is the opening road to access my bird's house, and I would like to video this portion so that you can also see my work here. And this area is the yesterday the backhoe work here, and I'm going back to the entrance of my property. I think it's from here it's about 80 meters away, and this is the area that yesterday worked by the equipment. And as you can see, that building over there is the building of my fighting cats, and the area where I'm going to condition my roosters. And here it's area also that I can pass my service vehicle, and there are lots of trees already was take out from this portion, so that it is possible for my vehicle to go inside my property. And this portion here, yesterday we cut this portion of land or mountain.
There's
so
also
that this area
some
here
of
is
the trees
the highest peak of my property, and
then
that
this is the
over
area.
there is
It's
the
a very
barangay
clean,
road, where
and
road that was built by the
as you can see,
municipality. And here
there's a
this is my
road there, and
this is my
this
construction
already
work here.
cut
We're going to go back
mountain
to
by
my
the equipment,
property where
and I would
wanted
like to go to the
build
area
my,
where my bird's house was located, and also
this, I think this
my project also
road
to
is
build
already possible by my
another bird's house.
but
going
during rainy time, I think the
video those
tile of
that
my
area,
service
and
would slip on
this
it
area
because
is
it's
already
clay, and I would like
really
to
passable by my
put
vehicle, but
rock
if it is raining time, I think
after this
the
undertaking,
tire or
but I need
the tire will
budget
slip on this
for the material
road,
to
because
put
don't
in
have
here.
don't have
As you
stone
can see over
or
there
gravel.
is
So
the area
my
where,
next plan here is to
I'm planning to build
put some
my
gravel on it,
additional
and
bird's house.
so that
As you can see there, the backhoe is
tire
still
of my car can
working,
does not
fronting to my
slip, and I can go to
existing
my
bird's house.
area.
So
So
we're going to
after this,
ito pa ingon na yun sa atong langgam, tara dito ka straight sa langgam mo na na balay sa langgam sila yun. Good afternoon, everyone. This is the second day of working in ground leveling for the area where we can build additional bird's house. And hopefully we could finish that tomorrow, because our bird's house is already full of birds, so we need to expand our bird's house in this almost completed the area, 8 by 25 meters. So hopefully next week we could start our layout for the bird's house, and
may ni buntag diana, wala mo kay sila.
Wala. Gawas mo sila panglayo.
Uban nakatulog pa, yan ang tao. Kayo. Nao. Ang kayo. Naingon na og kuan kanang bityukan. Klaro ba na may? Good day, everyone. Welcome to Paramount Sweetlet Farm. This is the third day of road opening.